Can you really learn how to crochet with a beginner-friendly kit like the Woobles, Crochetta, or the 80-piece Crochet Kit bundles that are found on Amazon? Let's find out. Before we get started, please take a minute to like and subscribe to Craft Drawer. I learned how to crochet while in high school from a home economics teacher who taught me the basics. I then went on to get a few books and instruction guides and kept practicing until I was able to make my first blanket. After that, I continued to learn new crochet stitches, techniques, and discover how to use different types of yarn. In recent years, we have started to see more crochet kits available and tools to help you learn how to crochet. You can learn how to crochet from watching a video, having someone teach you how, learning from a book, or ordering a crochet kit to learn. Everyone has different ways of learning. We are going to look at how you can learn to crochet from one of the many crochet kits available. If you want to know more or order one of these crochet kits, please check out the links in the description below for additional information. First of all, let's find out what are crochet kits. Crochet kits for beginners are everywhere, from sleek branded kits like the Woobles that use their signature easy peasy yarn, to more budget-friendly bundles like Yarnvibe or Tvrant's 80-piece sets. These kits typically include yarn, a hook, accessories, a pattern, and some even offer video tutorials or printed instructions. Are crochet kits actually good for learning how to crochet? If you've never held a crochet hook before, these kits can be a great entry point, but not all kits are created equal. Let's break it down. The Woobles Beginner Crochet Kits. The Woobles are super beginner friendly. Their easy peasy yarn doesn't fray, making it easier to see your stitches. Their step-by-step video tutorials are top-notch and perfect for true beginners. The only downside is they are a bit more expensive, but worth it for the price, because of the step-by-step helpful tutorials. Let's take a look at some other crochet kits like Crochetta, Tvrant, Yarnvibe, Crochet Kits, and more. Other Amazon kits give you more tools and yarn, great value if you want to try lots of projects or learn on a budget. Some of the video tutorials are easy to follow, but some may be a little more confusing. Some of the kits come with a carrying case and other extras to help you get started. Yarn can vary from kit to kit, and instructions may be more vague in one kit compared to others. Always check the reviews and see what others have to say before purchasing a crochet kit. What really helps you learn with a crochet kit? The key to success with any kit? The video tutorials. Look for kits that include step-by-step video guides, not just printed instructions. Learning to crochet is a visual skill, and being able to pause, rewind, and re-watch is a game changer. Who are these kits best for? If you're a visual learner, total beginner, or want a low-pressure intro to crochet, these kits are a great start. I especially recommend the Woobles for their clear guidance and fun projects. For budget-conscious crafters, Tvrant or Yarnvibe give you a bigger bang for your buck, but be ready to search YouTube if the instructions aren't clear. Can you learn with a kit? Yes, you can absolutely learn how to crochet with a kit. Just make sure it includes solid tutorials, beginner-friendly yarn, and clear instructions. And don't be afraid to supplement with YouTube videos or beginner crochet classes. Be patient and take your time. You may have to start over a couple of times to get the hang of holding the crochet hook. Crochet kits are one great way to learn. There are many other options, including watching YouTube tutorials to getting helpful book. You have to make sure to have the basics, a good crochet hook, and easy to work with yarn, and learn how to chain stitch, single crochet, double crochet, and other terms and techniques. Most kits and books will guide you through the basic process before you can move on to advanced projects and stitches. Crochet kits are a great options for both kids and adults because they include everything you need to start crocheting. Take a look at some of the kits we recommend below and let me know what you think. Have you tried a crochet kit before? Did you like your crochet kit? If so, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my playlist for beginner crochet tips and projects.